Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can enable Google Chat in Gmail. So to do so, first of all, go to Gmail and now go to this 3-line button on this side. Now just go to settings. Now you can see chat over here in apps in Gmail. Tap on it. And now you can see the option show the chat tab. So if you turn it on, then you would have enabled Google Chat in Gmail. So guys, that's how you enable Google Chat in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. If you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.